We had some great Tradesman of the Month entries for June. Clayton Bradshaw, a U.S. Marine and furniture maker, sent us a picture of him belt sanding down some boards. Clayton, thank you for your service, sir. I appreciate it. John Steen, he sent us a photo of a recent kitchen remodel. He's up in Canada. Then there's Mongo Slice. Mongo, great picture, buddy. Mongo is using this mega big Makita skill saw, a circular saw, to cut down some beams. James Servito sent us a cool picture of a mantle and barn doors that closed to hide the television on a project he did. Ben Tessier did a kitchen remodel. Super cool kitchen, Ben. Nice job. Then there was Nat Meredith. He showed off his woodworking shop, and the back wall was covered with all these woodworking jigs. And then how about Trevor Lady? Trevor is a Finnish carpentry apprentice, and he's just getting into the trades. Trevor, welcome to the trades. If there's anything we can do to help you out, let us know. Trevor showed us a cool coffered ceiling he and his company were working on. Connor Delaney showed us a beam set on a framing project he was working on. And lastly, Jesus Mulatto, a painting contractor out of Denver, Colorado, sent us a photo of him up on a lift doing some work up there. All great photos, and guys, choosing them was tough. I wish I could pick you all as winners, but 5 out of 6 of us chose Nate McHugh's picture. Nate is June's Tradesman of the Month, and Nate is a welder, and he lives on Maine, and you can find Nate's work all over the Northeast. I'll call him the traveling welder. Nate is going to be receiving a trade-specific tool package from Milwaukee Power Tools. I'm going to guess it's a fuel grinder, but we'll see. Additionally, we're going to be sending Nate a Tool Box Buzz Pro t-shirt, baseball hat, and stickers. And we're also going to post an article highlighting Nate and his work on our website. We have a Tradesman of the Month web page that we use. We're going to link to his website or maybe his company's website of his choice. So congratulations, Nate. Super cool picture of that weld. Guys, how would you like to be the Tradesman of the Month winner for July? So July starts today. And we celebrate Tradesman of the Month with a hashtag. It's hashtag TBBPro. And it's called the Tool Box Buzz Tradesman of the Month. It is an award and tool giveaway celebrating skilled labor. And if you want to enter, you can enter every month. Doesn't matter. Entering is simple. All you have to do is email us a picture of you on a job site or in your shop or doing some sort of project. You can email us at tbbpro@toolboxbuzz.com. Make sure to include that hashtag TBBPro in your photos somehow and be creative. Be sure to include your contact information so I can reach out to you if you win. And good luck. We'll see you. I look forward to seeing your pictures in July. Take care, guys.